Hey guys, here is my hair in its natural state, big and fluffy. I want to create something smooth, and for that, I will be using my GHD Glide for today's tutorial. First things first, section your hair into manageable sections to make sure that you have a good working section and nothing gets caught while you're trying to smooth out your hair with the styler itself. So I'm going to prep the hair with Sebastian Trilliant. It is my thermal protectant that I like to use when I'm using any kind of heat on my hair. Brushing my hair out to ensure that there is no knots or snags. So I'm going in with my styler in this motion here. You want to make sure that you're going to move nice and slow from your roots to your ends to really allow the styler to smooth out your hair and give you that nice frizz-free finish. So I am going over every section twice for maximum straightness. I'm going to continue to use the same steps as I move around my hair. You can see how I'm feeding the hair into the styler. This is going to allow me to create maximum smoothness throughout each section. This is what I love about the GHD Hot tool. It's so easy to use. And you can do it with one hand or two hands, but you guys can definitely do this. Okay, I'm going to continue to move through the rest of my hair following the same steps. Let's review. We're going to take small sections. We're going to brush them out. We're going to prep them with Sebastian Trilliant. And also we're going to make sure that it's nice and brushed out with no snags or knots in the hair. We're going to take our styler. We're going to feed the hair into the styler and we're going to move from the roots to the ends in a slow, fluid motion. This will give you a really nice finish. It's going to be smooth, frizz-free, and straight. And you guys can see how curly my hair is and the result that I'm getting from using the styler. This is what I love about it. It doesn't get hotter than 365 degrees. It does have different size bristles within the brush itself. And this is ensuring that every hair strand is captured as we move the GHD Glide through the hair, giving us that beautiful finish that you can see on the video. Now with Sebastian Trilliant, I love using this thermal protectant because it protects my hair up to 450 degrees from the hot tools. It also has rock crystal extract that creates amazing shine in the hair. So you're getting all these benefits from the product itself and the hot tool. They're a great combination to use together. Now guys, if you ever wanted to try these products, Ulta.com has them for you. You can order them, have them shipped to your house. You can start falling in love with these products like I did. Now, as you can see on the video, I am moving to my crown area now. I am over directing again everything towards the front of the face to create a little bit of volume on base. I don't want to have really flat hair on my crown, so by over directing, I'm ensuring that I'm capturing this so I can have a little bit of volume. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how easy this is to do on longer hair. And I'm also going to show you how the GHD Glide is going to work for short hair as well. But here I am finishing out my style. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I would love to help you. All right, where are the men at? Guys, the GHD Glide can also work for our men. So here we have longer hair on top with short hair underneath that is frizzy. So this is going to help him smooth the hair out so he can wear his hair styled like he wants to. Because of the short and long bristles, this is great for short or long hair, as you can see how he's using the styler to smooth out his hair. He's using it like a brush, ensuring that he's going to get the smoothness that he's wanting to. because the hair can tend to get frizzy and big. This is going to help keep it nice and controlled so he can wear the style that he likes to wear. So super simple, super easy. Just brush your hair like you would do with a regular brush, and you can see how the hair is starting to get smooth. Also finishing with Sebastian dark oil, adding some softness to his hair and his beard. It is argan oil, so it is safe to use. We're also going to finish with Sebman, the Sculptor, to finish out his style. Emulsifying your hands, work it through the hair, and here you have the finished result of using GHD Glide on shorter hair. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today.